If you want to activate Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, all you have to do is simply press and hold the home button like this. Just touch and hold it for like a second or two in order to activate the Google Assistant. And in case you use gestures for navigation, then in that case you want to swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner of the screen inwards, so like this. This is how we can activate the Google Assistant. If it doesn't work for you, what you need to do is open Settings, then we want to go to Display Settings over here and scroll down to find Navigation Bar. In here we have Assistant app, whether you use buttons or swipe gestures, which can be enabled or disabled, so make sure that it is on. And besides that, of course, if you prefer to use Gemini, you can install it by using the Play Store, and you can use Gemini instead. If we set it up, then you should be able to also press and hold the home button or use the swipe gesture in order to activate the Gemini Assistant. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.